Good morning, students. On that day, we have completed the mole of atoms and molecules with the valencies of ions. So, little bit review I am going to tell you about the moles of atoms. So, I am going to tell you about the moles of atom. A mole of atom of an element has a equal mass to the gram atomic mass of the element. Now listen it very carefully. 1 mole of atom which is equals to the gram atomic mass of the element. Okay. 1 mole of atom is equals to the gram atomic mass. Now let's take an example of oxygen. 1 atomic mass of oxygen is 16 U. So in grams, if we write in grams, we can writing it as 16 grams. Atomic mass of oxygen will be 16 grams. So it is equals to the 16 gram. Now, it should also be noted that symbol of an element represented 1 mole of atom of that element. Symbol represent 1 mole of an atom. Let's symbol O represent only if one single O is there. It means 1 mole of oxygen atom. 2O represents 2 moles of oxygen. 3O represents 3 moles. 4O represents 4 mole of oxygen atom. So this is said to be the mole of atom, and we can say also it is a 1 mole of atom of an element equals to the gram atomic mass of an element. Fine. Now moles of molecules. Moles of molecules is equals to the gram molecular mass. Now atom is equals to the gram atomic mass. Molecules is equals to the gram molecular mass. So here we can say as 1 mole of molecules of a substance is equals to the gram molecular mass of the substance. Molecular mass of oxygen, now see here, this is the atomic mass of oxygen, that is 16 U. We can say 16 grams. Here molecular mass, it means double of it become a 32 U, and in grams if you want to write down, we can write down as 32 grams. So here is O2 represent, now this O2, 2 is on the downside, represents 1 mole of oxygen molecules. 2O2 represents 2 mole of oxygen atom. H2O, here H2O, this full water, H2O is said to be the water. It represents 1 mole of water molecules. If here it is written 2 on the upside, on the above side, so it is said to be the 2 moles of water molecules. Fine. 2 moles H2SO4 is written here, so we can say here 2 moles of hydrogen atom, 1 mole of sulfur, and 4 atoms of oxygen. Fine. Next you can see this table. In this table it is written as 1 mole of hydrogen atom H, that is of 1 gram, which is equals to 6.02 to 10 to the power 23. 1 mole of hydrogen molecules. Now the word came molecules, that is H2. It means 2 into 1. 1 is of H and 2 is given here already, that is 2 into 1, it came as 2 grams. It also become equals to the same value, 6.022. 1 mole of water molecules, this is fully water. Water means 2 into 1. 1 is hydrogen, that is 2, and 16 is the oxygen. 16 plus 2, that is become 18 grams. Ammonia is NH3, and atomic mass 14. 3 into 1, 1 means H. 3 into 1, 14 plus 3, 17 grams equals to 6.022. Sodium we can say as 23 gram, which is also equals to 6.022, 10 to the power 23 sodium atoms. A mole of a substance is the amount of the substance which contain the same number of particles as their carbon atoms in 12 grams of carbon 12 element. Fine. A mole of the substance is the amount of the substance which contains 6.02 to 10 to the power 23 particles, atoms, molecules or ions of the substance. Fine. So we can say a mole represent this thing, that is 6.02 to 10 to the power 23. A mole represent these two things, that represents the gram atomic mass, gram molecular mass, which is equals to the 6.02 to 10 to the power 23. Now some numericals will come on these topics. That is 1 mole of atom of an element, which is equals to gram atomic mass, that is equals to 6.022. 1 mole of atom is equals to gram atomic mass. 1 mole of atom is equals to same value, gram atomic mass equals to 6.022 10 to the power 23 atoms. Please beta, you have to write these things also. Okay, this is your homework. Now let's see the numericals here which I have told to you about the formulas. So what they are saying, now you can see what they are asking. Okay, on behalf of asking, we have to put the formula. Fine. So here, how many moles are 5 grams of oxygen? Now beta, calcium is written here, but we will take the exam. I want this thing that you should know what is the atomic mass of these all things. Okay, when you know the atomic number, then you know very well about the atomic mass also. Fine. So you have to say, you have to find out first of all moles. Okay, 5 grams of calcium is given to you. So first of all you have to tell what is the 1 mole. 1 mole, here atomic mass is given here. It means we have to talk about the atomic mass. Fine. So 1 mole of atom is equals to the atomic mass. 1 mole of, to which one they are asking? They are asking about the calcium. 1 mole of calcium atom is equals to the gram atomic mass of calcium. That is 14 grams. 40 grams. 40 grams of calcium is also equals to the 1 mole of calcium. Then about the 5 grams of calcium is equals to 1 upon 40 into 5. The answer is coming as 1 upon 8 mole, which is written as 0.125 mole. This is a simple way in which we have to find out the mole. Fine. Now in this one also, second way also we can write down direct. We will put the formula. We have to write down number of mole of atom is equals to the mass of element in grams. Mass of element in gram which is given to us, that is 5. Gram atomic mass which is given to us 40, and the answer is coming this one. Fine. One more way you have to write down, one more way is this one also, that you can write down. If here gram atomic mass, if here it is written as molecular mass, that time you have to use this one formula. So I want like to this that you can use the long method so that you should know how it is coming. Fine. Next is any one you can write down. In this one, don't write all the things. Any one you can write down. You can write down this one. Okay, fine. Now question number 2, which is based on the NCERT. What is the mass of 4 moles of aluminium atom? Now beta, see here, in this one they are asking about moles. Now in this one they are asking about the mass. What is the mass? So first of all, aluminium atom, that is 27U atomic mass. Fine. Atomic mass is 27U. So 1 mole of aluminium, 27 grams. 4 mole, 4 into 27, that is 108 grams. Very easy. Next is calculate the number of atoms in 0.2 mole of sodium. Now in this one they are asking the number of atoms in 0.2 mole of sodium. So 1 mole you have to find out 6.022. Then 0.2, 6.022 multiply with 0.2, that is come this one. So this is the answer of this question. It is very easy. Find out the atom is easy, find out the mass is easy. There is a little bit typical of stuff to find out the mole. Next question. How many moles are 9.03 to 10 to the power 24 atoms of helium? Now beta, listen it very carefully. On this one side, when we have to find out the moles, they have given a single digit, that is 5 grams. Now in this one we are using a points here. Okay, 9.033 10 to the power 24. So as the word came in a short form, I would like to tell you, if this is not written in a book, not written in any copy. Okay, if it is written like this 9.022 33 9.2 96.2 7.2, anything it is written, at that time you have to use the value of 6.022. okay, so here what they have to find out the moles of helium. So this type of thing is coming in question, then you have to say 1 mole is equals to 6.022. then this much atom is contained 1 upon this 6.022, and multiplying with this much mole is coming. Listen it again very carefully, listen it again. If this type of thing is coming, you have to show the 6.022 value, means 6.022 equals to 1 mole. 1 mole is equals to 6.022. 9 point is equals to 1 upon 6.022 into multiplying with this. Fine. Calculate the number of iron atoms in a piece of iron weighing 2.8 grams. And atomic mass of it is 56 U. So 1 mole of iron is equal to the gram atomic mass of iron, that is 56 grams. 1 mole contains 6.022, 56 grams contains 6.022, 2.8 contains 6.022 upon 56 into 2.8, which is given here. The answer is coming this one. Next question. If 1 mole of carbon atom weighs 12 grams, what is the mass in grams of 1 atoms of carbon? So carbon here also we are using 6.022. So 1 gram, that is also equals 1 mole equals to 6.022. 12 gram, which is contain also 6.022, that is written here, 6.022 contain 12 grams. 1 atom contain 12 upon 6.022. In 6.022, answer is coming as 1.99 into 10 to the power minus 23 grams. So today you can complete it in your copy till here. Fine, students. Okay, and if there is any confusion, if school will open, we will discuss those confusions. Okay, thank you and have a nice day. But please, students, write your homework very nicely in your copy.